Hey guys, it's Full Lopez here, back with another video. Welcome to this video. So this is going to be Elrond price prediction for 2021 March. And currently cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin took a little bit of hit there. So there was a little flash crash, like a $4,000 crash. And yeah, like what comes up must go down, or not what goes up must come down. Okay, so but anyway, that's what I've said in many videos. I'm talking about it. So in cryptocurrencies there is huge, let me show you. So there's huge potential always set up. So Newton's third law. So huge energy is set up on cryptocurrencies. So you always have to keep in mind that when it goes down, it will go down very fast, because the kinetic energy is also huge. Because if it goes up fast, it has to come down also fast. So these are like a flash crashes happens on cryptocurrency bull runs very often. You will see these typically on it's Monday always, somehow always there's little sell-off here and there. I have seen this happen many times before. So yeah, definitely I think that it was a good buying opportunity here, buying the dip, so you will have a margin of safety and you can just dollar cost average whatever you're holding. Definitely I'm doing that. And yeah, so anyway, we're going to check out Elrond price prediction now. And Elrond, I love what Elrond is doing there. It's just crazy. I will show you what Tokenmetrics is saying about Elrond currently. Tokenmetrics is a machine learning software, subscription based software. The founders of Tokenmetrics are very, very, very smart. Okay, these guys make racks. Okay, so I definitely love Tokenmetrics. So when you sign up on the subscription, they will also send you newsletter every single day, and in that newsletter they will share what they have found. So they have a huge team of people, very smart people, going into different cryptocurrencies and looking at their fundamentals, looking at the code. Okay, looking all this information, because these people who created the software are very rich, and they understand that when it comes to cryptocurrencies, the technology has to be good if the project is going to succeed. So where they start is that they start looking at the technology first, and they have a huge team behind it. So they will send every day newsletters containing very good cryptocurrency gems that you can do your own research on. I highly recommend to check it out. The free trial, oh, it's not a free trial, but it's like a $2 or something like that, the trial for 5 days. Definitely try it out. If you don't like it, well, don't use it ever again. But if you like it, I think that it will change everything. For example, for me, this tool changed everything. Okay, but anyway, so Tokenmetrics, let's go. So it uses past data to predict the future price. And look at here, currently it thinks that Elrond is like fairly priced. Okay, Elrond had a huge run here, and now it has consolidated a little bit, and dumped a little bit here, and now it's been consolidating. But like you can see here, I think this is perfect buying opportunity, because now Elrond is not sexy anymore, or it is very sexy, but I mean, like, people are not talking about it anymore, and that I think that that's when the smart money is buying. Okay, and if you really like understand the whole picture what Elrond is doing, the Elrond is just massive. But currently I don't own any Elrond, because I think that Elrond is one of those cryptocurrencies I would really like the cryptocurrency. I'm going to definitely follow the journey of their how it's going to build up, but it's not in my circle of competence. Okay, I have started realizing it more and more, that I have to focus on my strengths and use those strengths when I'm investing. I think that it has made all the difference in my investing, because when it was like 2019, 2018, I was just buying cryptocurrencies like left and right. Okay, and if I had just stick with my own research and stick with what I know, I would have made a lot better investment decisions. Okay, because investing is just, when you buy cryptocurrencies, when you buy cryptocurrencies, you have to know why you are buying it, and so when you are why you are selling it in the second place. So in the first place, you have to know why you buy it. And a lot of people buy cryptocurrencies. For example, here on Elrond, people just bought here because it was FOMO, it was sexy, it was just people just went crazy. Okay, but now it's past that, and it's currently $128 for Elrond, which is, I think it's pretty cheap. Okay, but but the machine learning is saying that currently Elrond is fairly priced. Okay, like you can see, it's fairly, like, I think like this is one of the most fairly priced cryptocurrencies I currently know. Okay, like these, like of course I think Bitcoin is also underpriced currently, because if you really think about it, if it's going to be the store of value that people like coin it to be, and big institutions are coming aboard, like, who knows. But also you have to remember, you have to remember that anything could happen, like literally anything could happen. Still, I think that's still a possibility. I think that's still a possibility, because it would be foolish to rule it out. There's so much things that could go wrong with Bitcoin, like so many things, but there's also so much upside. Like the upside is also huge. Like it's like a yin and yang thing, in my opinion. Like Bitcoin is the perfect yin and yang. So who knows? Who knows what's going to happen with Bitcoin? But anyway, that's beyond the point. So let's jump into let's see, for the markets. You can definitely buy Elrond on Binance. I bought it on Binance. So if you haven't signed up on Binance, link in description and sign up. Definitely Binance has some really good coins. But the fundamentals on Elrond. So let's start here. So Elrond listed on Binance again, and has a significant amount of trading volume. I really like the Elrond. It has liquidity, because a lot of coins are not in the big exchanges basically. So they have a really poor liquidity. But anyway, the tokenomics are secure, as they have a deflationary token with a token burn. I like tokens that have token burns, okay, because that makes it deflationary. And yeah, I think that's just like, yeah, I just love it. Depends on the project, of course. For market standing, Elrond scores very well. They have 2,000 users on the platform. The token is used as a payment, transaction fees, uh, payment to deploy, dApps, and rewards for staking. The only issue it has here is the competition. It competes with some of the most significant blockchain projects directly, like Ethereum. In terms of security, it is relatively secure in eyes at it uses secure proof of stake concept and has 400 plus nodes. Very like a lot. Like many projects at EAO on Binance, the reputation of Elrond is spotless. Neo Global Capital invested, and it has been written about in Forbes. Lastly, looking at the marketing, the only thing Elrond came up short on was the fact that it does not get many website views. Okay, so here's more about the team. Here's related links, and here's the fundamentals. So here are the data points. So deflationary scarcity is very good. It's very scarce. Marketing standing good, but only thing that are they leading the pack in terms of their competition, or they have no competition? So this is not in the top two, because like it said, it's competing with Ethereum, like straight up, like one of the promised cryptocurrency, smart cryptocurrency, as you could say. Development. Is there a team member who is well known in the industry, can drive development progress and articulate the project's vision, strategy, and use case? No. Liquidity good on Binance. Boom, boom, boom. Yes, yes, yes. Boom, boom, boom. More, and very good. Basically good. 72 percent here. I think that's fairly good. I always look at least 80%, but hey, it's almost 80%. So yeah. Now let's look at the technology. 74%. Here's more about the summary. So Elrond is a distributed transactional computing protocol which relies on a sharded state architecture and a secure proof of stake consensus mechanism. While most other blockchains require custom hardware and high energy consumption, Elrond runs on average computers. It's the first blockchain architecture with state sharding achieving 65,000 TPS in lab environments, 35,000 TPS in public testnet. Very wow. Okay, so crazy. Elrond grants access to the usage of its network through intrinsic utility token called Elrond, in short, ERDs. All cost for processing transactions, running smart contracts, and rewards for various contributions to the network will be paid in ERDs. Okay, so that's like the token's utility. Here's innovation. Not the most innovative. It's definitely it's innovative, but I know like if you understand what I'm saying, like if you think about Bitcoin, that's like crazy innovative because it was the first out the door. This is just like doing same thing basically, but with the different twist. Of course, it's innovative, but I hope that you understand where they are coming from. Like you can see here, have similar projects perform. Are there too many? These are the data points that they use. So not too complex. 20 to 50 minutes. Outstanding, really, like I liked it at the code quality. Like look at here what I said in the beginning. The team goes look at the code quality, and the code is basically everything here. The code is law. Okay, so all that and all this information is pulled off Elrond.com on the white paper, GitHub, and the developer's documentation. So straight from the horse's mouth. I love this. Okay, so let's look at the technical analysis. So this is the machine learning part of token metrics, and you can see here different like data points, oscillators, exponential moving averages, trends, candlestick pattern, customs, volumes, everything. And if you're more into this like TA stuff, you can come definitely here and check out. You can come on the token metrics and check out any coin here, like literally any coin. You can come here and check out any coin, and they have done very good analysis on many coins. Okay, so that's that, and let's check out the performance metrics. So this is also very interesting. So well, this is going to be very cool. So here is Elrond performance metrics, Elrond versus Bitcoin. Look at this. Look at this cool. You can see Bitcoin here. It's the look, that's funny. It's the yellow line here, almost at the black line here. So here's the yellow. You can see Bitcoin here, and here's Elrond. So the gains have been like crazy. If you look at it, the gains have been just absolutely astonishing. Okay, so anyway, that's that. Very interesting to see. So you're better off holding Elrond at least for now. But we will see what's going to happen in the future. But anyway, let's do the price prediction now. So Elrond price prediction. I always do worst case scenario, the most probable scenario, and the best case scenario. So the worst case scenario for Elrond, I think that for March 2021, and that is that it goes under sub $100. I think that that's going to be, if it goes sub $100, I think that it's going to go to like $60 or something like that. But that's the worst case scenario in my opinion. So the best, most probable scenario is going to be that Elrond is going to be between $100 and $200. I think that that's going to be the fair price range, and we will see where the support comes from. Like you can see here, so at $100 is really the support at that point, and if it goes under $100, I think that it will dip a lot more. But we will see. So the most potential probable is that I think that it's going to be around $100 and $200, somewhere between these lines. I know that that's very vague, but like it's very hard to predict the future because any kind of news could set up a new all-time high. Any kind of like black swan event could set a new all-time high. And I would like to also keep a realistic price prediction. One of the price predictions I want to keep realistic. So $100 and $200. I think that's fair. And currently there's pretty good margin of safety because it's not at the top anymore. So the top being $115, and now it's $128. I think that there's a play around here, and the most bullish scenario is just massive news, stars aligning, new all-time high, and after that just off to the races. $300, $400, $500, $6, $7, $8, $9,000 could happen. Ethereum, Elrond is one of the Ethereum like straight competitors. There's many Ethereum killers and Ethereum competitors. Ethereum is currently very broken product. If you try to build anything on it, you will see, and the gas fees are just ridiculous. There's much better technology coming all the time, so very interested to see what's going to happen. Of course, Ethereum could perform in this bull run better than any of these other smart contracts, but I see that Elrond has a good shot at it. Okay, everybody is running. The race is on, and let's see who will be the winner. Of course, there could be also multiple winners, but I think that the Elrond is fairly good. Currently, I don't own any Elrond. Okay, I don't own any Elrond currently. I bought some Elrond at, I think that it was like somewhere between here, 100 and sometimes $130, and then I sold it at like almost $200. Okay, because I at that like I know that these like the pumps are crazy on cryptocurrency, but it will always dump. It has to dump. Okay, at some point even like you can see here, it has retraced a lot, like a lot. Okay, so anyway, I flipped it quickly there, but anyway, currently I don't own any Elrond, and that's going to be the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Subscribe for more price prediction videos if you like this, and also like this video. That will help me so much. And comment down below your Elrond price prediction. I would love to know your price prediction. And if you know, by the way, any news or any insights about Elrond, just comment down below. I would love to know what you know, because there's so many smart people around there. Okay, but anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Also, by the way, guys, subscribe to my free newsletter. I will do daily emails there. Very cool stuff. Very cool stuff. But anyway, see you soon, guys, and take care.